Point of sales, Module 2. So in this tutorial, we are going to be adding the POS form. We will use our existing form order form as our template. And also we need to update the code behind file. Also, there are a couple of functions that we need to add in order to make this work. Let's get started. All right. Let's go to our folder. We are going to make a copy of this CMS to POS here. Copy, paste, and let's rename that to Module 2. All right, go in there. Let's open it up. All right, last time we update the customer table to add a flag as a default customer. So that's what we are going to use. So yeah, let's create our POS form. So to do that, I am going to make a copy of this order right here. Control C, Control V. We're going to change that to form POS. All right, let's take a look at what's in there. Yeah, first off, this guy right here is let's see what that one is. That guy is the order subform, so we don't want that. Let's delete. All right, and this one is the product, so good, we keep that one because we're gonna need it. All right, there. So we're gonna need the order product. We are going to need order product. All right, so let's Control S, close that out. Let's go to order product first. Order product, this guy. All right, so let's make a copy of that guy. Control C, Control V. We're going to change that to POS. All right, POS. There. And then we are going to need the order product, which is this guy. Control C, Control V. And we're going to change order to POS. All right, so let's go there. POS, remove that guy. And this guy, POS. There. All right, now let's get back to our POS form. We're going to update this this guy. So this would be, that would be POS product right here. I'm going to copy that and replace the top one. All right, now let's go ahead and actually we'll go ahead and update this guy as well. And this would be yeah, this is, yeah, we're just going to do this POS, and then we're going to copy that guy and then replace that name. All right, let's go in the code. Let's replace that guy. Control F, and let's find subform. Right off the bat, before we move on, see this right here? See this right here? We are going to get rid of this guy, all right? But before we get there, yeah, let's not worry about that. Actually, you know what? I am going to copy this guy. I'm going to copy that guy. And we're going to remove the whole function because that will no longer be exist. So let's go ahead and remove that guy. Let's go to the front end and remove that guy. That's the guy. Delete. Okay, let's get back to our code. All right, I just did the copy. All right, I'm not sure why I did that, but yeah, let's not worry about that for now. But right here, we are going to get rid of this select case, and this would be our POS Form product. This guy. All right. So let's continue down, see what's going on here. So this is good, complete. And yeah, let's go line by line. Let's go line by line. This cancel. Okay. We'll talk about that later. Edit. We are going to get rid of this edit. We're going to get rid of the edit button. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Delete. And then we don't have the edit button. We're going to remove that guy. We're going to talk about this later, but we just want to fix the subform first. Let's find the next one right here. So this remove product, this would be POS product. That guy. Let's go find next. Right there, we found it. Same POS product. There. Let's go to the next one. Yep, that's a POS. But we don't have this order. We remove that guy. So let's go ahead and get rid of that guy. Let's go find the next one. This one is unlock text boxes. Yep, we need to make sure we do this. Let's go to the next one. Okay, we're at the top. Good. Good. All right, so that's one down. Let's make sure this guy is visible. See how this guy is not visible? The reason why it's not visible is because we use the option to toggle between order and product. All right, so let's make this guy visible. I am going to move these two guys up there, right there, and then there. All right. All right, so what happened here? Let's follow through with this guy. Oh, this guy is not enabled either. So I'm going to move this guy for now. We want to make this quad work before we start doing some cosmetics. We need to enable this guy. See there? Let's go in there, enable. Yes, there. All right. So basically, they're going to be these guys. Add new allows us to do things in here. Add and remove product. Complete means we are done with the sales. All right. Cancel means remove these guys. That's what is going to happen. All right. So let's follow through with this guy. Okay. Follow through with that guy. These right here say, hey, go get the customer. All right. And then in this customer, if you look at it, it says in this search, it says display customer right there. All right. So we are going to simulate that. All right. So I'm going to take that out. I'll call display customer. All right. So now let's go to this function. This is the logic that we need to follow through when we open up our POS. All right. And this guy said, well, go get me a customer using this ID, and that ID comes from the customer search. Well now we need to create another function to get the default customer that we created in the last video. All right, let's go to the customer DbAccess and let's take a look. We're looking for, okay, we're getting close. We're getting close. All right, this is what we want. All right, I'm going to copy this retrieval function, copy this guy, because it has everything that we need. You see that? Customer exists by ID. I'm going to copy that and then add it to the one above, to it above. Here we're going to say default customer exists. Default customer exists. I'm going to remove that by ID, and then we don't need this string. All right. However, this guy will say the default customer equals 1, and then just remove the rest of them. All right. In that last video, I mentioned this. All right. So we want the default customer. I'm going to make a copy of that guy, replace that guy with it. There. Control S. Now let's go back to the form. Now we can say default customer exists right there, and we don't need this guy. See there? Once we get that default, we're going to set it to right there. Okay. Now, if you notice right here is new. Let's go back to this function so that you will know. See what we said is new right here when we add. Two things that needs to happen, or three things that needs to happen. All right. Right here when it says add new, we want to say add, and then we also want to say save, and then we'll call set control. So these two things will add, let's see, add order, add save order, add save order. So we have to create an order first. All right. So we automated this, add and save order. The next thing that we need to do is we'll say me is new is no longer a new because we just added one. All right. Now we're going to say me text current action equals edit, and then call set control. So we automate this guy in here. All right. So that's what we want to do. That's what we want to do. So now in the add the product, let's go look at the add product. Where's the add product? Add product, where are you? Right here. So here we're going to say if order right here. Okay, that's okay. All right, right here, and me is new. Nope. And current action. TXT, my bad. It's TXT. See, I'm getting no wonder I couldn't find it. Current action equals edit. All right. We want to make sure this current action is edit. This will simulate the order that we have for the CMS. If it's not edit, don't add. We cannot have an add. All right. So, but we set it in here. Right here. We set it in here. So we're going to be able to add. All right. So that is the that is how it's going to happen. That is how it's going to happen. And then we'll talk about this cancel or delete and cancel later. Let's work one control at a time. All right, let's close. Let's close it out. Let's see if it does what we want it to do. Okay. Oh. Okay. It's in that. Okay, that one is removed. Remember, we removed that one. We'll go ahead and delete that. Continue. We remove the edit, so that's good. That's good. So we'll go ahead and just remove all edits. Edit button. Because we now making it, we are creating automation here. Everything is going to happen behind the scene, except adding products and deleting products. Okay, so all this is happening behind the scene. We call this automation. All right. Let's see, edit right here. We just keep going down. Wherever we find edit, we're just going to remove. This complete. We don't need to worry about this. As a matter of fact, we don't even need this, all right, because it's going to be POS. So I'll go ahead and remove the whole thing. There. Let's continue. Looking for edit button. I think we are done. No more edit button, I don't think. All right. So to be certain, I'm going to stop this debugger. Perfect. I'm going to stop that, and I'm going to compile that. Good. It compiles. Good. So let's see what happened. If we click on this, we should grab the default customer, all right, and create the order. All right. So so before we get there, we gotta validate the order number. It's 55. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's take a look. Add. Okay. Oh, we were gonna fix that. My bad. All right, let's close it down. Yep. Let's close it down. So in this right here, in this POS subforms, this guy, show you. See this guy right here? We need to fix that. It no longer uses the navigation, but it does use this POS. All right. Perfect. And here's the same way. Here's the same way. Yep. So POS form POS. That's it. All right. Save. Let's looking for this guy. This same thing here. We need to refer this to the POS. Now, if you want to know how I create a navigation, take a look at the POS and CMS code. I think we got everything here. So that's that. What's the delete? Okay, that's delete. Okay, good. So we change that. All right. So it should not bark at us now. Let's close both of these guys. Back to the POS. There you go. It doesn't bark. How about this guy? Good. Perfect. See that 55 we had? Now it's 56. All right. Let's take a look if the order 56 exists. 56. We're looking for 56. Perfect. Awesome. All right. So that's what we have. Now we are able to see there. Good. Already exists. Perfect. Let's remove. Perfect. So it's looking like we are doing it. All right. Now we need to work on this cancel right here. This cancel. Let's add the let's add the cancel option. Let's close this out. Close that out. That's good. POS. Let's go look at the cancel button. When we cancel, we're actually going to delete. All right. So let's add a delete. And then the delete function, we don't have one. Remember? We don't have one. Let's add one. Delete. And then we're just going to, I'm going to copy this guy. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's go ahead. I'm going to copy that guy. Oops. Back up. There. So actually, this guy right here, we're going to call clear button. All right. Complete. Yep, that's perfect right there. And then we'll call clear. Yep, call clear text. I had to think about it a little bit here. Almost like a blank fart. Clear and call log text boxes. That's that. So now if you look at the clear text boxes, let's jump to it. There. Oh, not there. So here is an option. When we clear this text boxes, do we want to clear the customer? The default says no, so it will never clear the customer. All right, so that's good. Now let's go back to this save, record save. We are going to create a function called record deleted as boolean, and then this will be I don't think we have the record order saved right here. Let's do the order right here. Let's go find save order. Grand total. I don't remember we delete the order. Remember we did the cancel. All right, right here, right there. So we need to create a function to delete order. All right. So to delete order, I'm gonna grab this guy. This seems to be a little short one. We don't want a long one. Just grab a short one. Save right here. I'm gonna put this guy right above the save. That way it's next to its cousin. Order saved. All right, and then we'll pass in order ID as string, and then we're gonna say boolean right there. See there? And now we're just going to change this code to say delete everything from order. Now you cannot type order like that, where I'll show you why. Where order ID equals S order ID like that. All right, this order right here is a reserved word. You be careful when you do delete order. All right, you need to bracket it out so that it knows it's either a field or a table. All right, so don't use it by itself. You're gonna get issues. You're gonna have issues. All right, this order. And if you notice down here where we retrieve orders, see there, we have to bracket this out. Otherwise, it's going to think, hey, wait a minute, you are using the reserved word. What do you mean? I don't understand you. Things like that, all right? Although it doesn't talk to you like that, but I do. Oh, where were we? Order saved. Order deleted. My bad. Sorry. I got carried away. Let's go. Order deleted. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna copy that guy, and I am going to get rid of all these guys, and we don't need this record set. We don't need to define that. We do need current DB execute SQL, and then we're going to say true. All right, and then replace this guy. That's it. That's all there is to it. Save. All right, let's close this file. Let's go fix the click button. Right here, we'll say if order DB access order deleted order what the heck? What the heck? Let's go back. What happened? Did we mistype? Oh, private function. Duh. You see there? Gotta remove that guy. Just call it function. Function. If you type function, is public by default. All right. Unless you want to make it private, then you type private. All right. Let's close that out. Let's try that again. Order DbAccess order. You see that? Order delete. And then we say order ID. Then, all right, if this guy deleted, we want to query, let's see, form refresh form. All right, now remember this guy comes from here. Where? Here. Where? This guy right here. All right, so we're going to refresh that guy. However, we got to dump the whole thing, right? In the unload right here, we dump the whole thing. So if we delete, we got to dump this temp file. All right, let's copy that. Let's move up to the delete function right here. So if it's delete, we want to dump this guy. So empty the temp table for me, and then we refresh the form. All right. Once we're done, we'll say record deleted equals true. Set. So now we can call this guy. All right. So let's go to the control, set control right here. Right here. And then we're going to say if record deleted, then do this. See how that works now. All right. Save. Now let's go to our click action. So here we'll say delete, and then it's going to call this guy, and then that guy is going to follow through with this guy. This guy is going to say, hey, go try deleting this guy. If it's successful, come in here and do this for me. All right, so let's see if that works. Cancel. Are you sure? Now this should be empty right here, and then the table should be, this table should also be deleted. I mean the record for this order should be deleted from here. So let's try it. Bam. Perfect. Now does it still exist? We're looking for 56. No 56. Perfect. Wow, that went without a glitch. How about that? Good. We got two things out of the way. Good, good, good. All right. Good, good, good. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So I am going to stop right there. We're going to make this video short. All right. So two things we done. We did this guy. Bam. And we cancel. Bam. We're done. All right. Let's try it again. Bam. Add. See there? And if you look at this guy, we should have two items. Perfect. All right. Now, if I close it out, I add this guy to 5. If we come in here, we should have one of those guys got to have 5. Perfect. See there? That's how that works. All right, let's remove one. Are you sure? Yep. Take a look. Nice. Nice. Let's cancel. Are you sure? Yep. Nice. So that's how that is going to work. All right. In the next video, we are going to use this complete button. We need to update this complete button. All right. This guy. All right. This guy is actually going to save the temp file to the main file and print out the receipt. That's what we hope to do. Okay. But in this video, this is nice, short, and sweet. That's because we came in here with plan. All right. There you have it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.